Okay, my name is Emma, and I'm gonna do some pretty funny and I'm gonna do some pretty funny stuff with these scratches that are much more bigger than me, almost.
Some pretty dumb things too.
Pretty dumb.
I'm just saying this right now. If you all are watching this, don't try this at all.
Don't try this at home.
Yeah, that's what I try to say.
And then my last grand finale. Here it is. And there it is. Emma doing some pretty dumb but funny stuff on crutches.